Secrets of Zimpagua series completes 10 years. Thank you from Zimpagua family. You made us survive and excel. The journey of Zimpagua commenced in 2014 when Jordan, the evil scientist, created a violet light and mixed magic in it. The sun and stars were furious at Queen Susanna for neglecting her kingdom. She lost her powers and this piece of land reached space as dark cursed planet. The queen waited for her daughter Anika for 10 years to return and save her kingdom. Thus began the story of Zimpagua. Secrets of Zimpagua, Return of the Princess. Book 1. Anika, a 10-year-old girl, returns to the cursed land of Zimpagua to rescue her mother from the shadow of the moon. She is victorious, and along with her brother Vivian, Drudon's son Leo, Lady Carol, Frederick, and Femina, oust Drudon. Drudon is no ordinary villain. He pledges revenge. Secrets of Zimpagua, Search of Soulmates. Drudon knew Anika was surviving on Shared Soul. He conspired to unite Leo and Anika's soul and kill Anika. In this journey, he meets the beautiful mermaid of the sea. Drudon is arrested by the soldiers of Zimpagua. The mermaid kidnaps Radhika and enters the sea. Secrets of Zimpagua, Birth of Mystery Child, Book 3. An old man then tells the mermaid to pray to the demon planets. Thus, the mermaid prays to the demon planets. She is blessed by a meteor shower. This meteor shower falls on Radhika, mermaid, and the baby in mermaid's stomach. The baby begins to sing in his stomach. He is born as a powerful child who could bring disaster with his song. He is Drudon and mermaid's son Myrddin. Book 4. Secrets of Zimpagua, Serpent's Shadow. Myrddin was desperate to marry Radhika. To save Radhika, Frederick marries her by making her wear the ring of connection. Myrddin bites Frederick and he is fatally poisoned. Drudon's father Trudon, who is now a soul, appears from the space of ancestors to save Frederick. Book 5. Secrets of Zimpagua, The Bond of Destiny. Paharo's soul is struck in cosmic illumination in a bizarre light. Her body is hidden, and once she pays for her sin of marrying Drudon, she would regain human form. Mermaid kidnaps Radhika and brings her to the evil world. Radhika is hypnotized and is ready to listen to the mermaid. She shares the bond of destiny with Frederick and he comes to rescue her. Secrets of Zimpagua, The Demon's Curse, Book 6. Drudon is injured as the sword stabs him for not keeping his promise. Never trust a snake and a sword. They are messengers of the Demon Lord, of promise made and not kept. The mermaid realizes she had promised the Demon Lords that her son Myrddin would bring fame for them, but had failed. She falls in the Mystic Lake and finds Lady Carol, Susanna, and Anika there. Leo is able to save Lady Carol and Susanna from the Mystic Lake, leaving Anika in the lake. Secrets of Zimpagua, The Breach of Trust. Book 7. Anika is trapped in the Mystic Lake. She tries escaping with Grandpa Trudon, but falls into a deep trap. The mermaid narrates a false story of Anika's death and instigates Radhika to kill Leo and seek revenge. King Soto is kidnapped. A shadow stealthily walks in the night, bringing disaster. Secrets of Zimpagua, Shimmering Threat. Book 8. Annika and Truden escape from the mystic lake, but Truden traps Paharo and dumps her in the lake. Paharo's energy clashes with that of the demon planets, and the lake falls from space. Frederick and Romeo try saving the lake, but to no avail, because only demon shall prevail. Releasing soon, Secrets of Zinpagua, Mystery of the Twin Towers. Will Destiny, our queen, show us light? Mermaid, Murden and Radhika are captured and kept in the dark castle. The evil, invisible forces are desperately looking for the one who has the key to the dark dungeons, a place where the evil forces can become invincible. Grandma Sutina reaches a mystic place and urges Annika to find the mystery of the Twin Towers. She knows doom is walking towards her family members, and if Annika doesn't find the mystery of the Twin Towers, none in her family would remain good.